Hi, I'm Lauren, and today I'll be chatting with you about menstrual underwear. So menstrual underwear are a really great alternative to using disposable pads or tampons. They can also be used as a backup on days when your flow is especially heavy, if you're using a pad, tampon, or menstrual cup. They're sustainable, so they can be reused over and over again. Most of the brands available are machine washable, so that aids the convenience factor. And then if you're thinking about making a switch, we typically recommend buying between 5 and 7 pairs, depending on how heavy your flow is and how long your period lasts. So starting with our homegrown company, Thinx, they offer a whole variety of styles and absorbency levels. Their website says that their underwear have an anti-odor top layer, which absorbs and wicks away moisture from your skin. And then they have an inner layer, which absorbs liquid and locks it in. And then they have a leak-resistant layer at the bottom to protect your clothes from any leaks. So their lightest type of underwear is their thong, which absorbs about a teaspoon of blood, sweat, or urine. So just as a reference point, the average tampon can absorb about a teaspoon of blood. And then they have medium absorbency. We're looking at about 3 teaspoons of blood, sweat, or pee for looking at lighter pee leaks, and then increasing to 8 or 12 for their higher absorbency or super absorbency products. They also have leak-proof swimwear and leak-proof workout leggings and shorts, which can be helpful just to round out your wardrobe during your menstrual cycle. And then they also have teenage sizes, which come in a variety of colors and absorbency levels also. So they've got you covered in that way. Thinx is a company out of the States, and they also have 5 absorbency levels from lightest to super heavy. And they hold between 1 teaspoon and 5 teaspoons of fluid. So between 1 tampon and 5 tampons. They have got 5 different styles, with some styles having multiple levels of absorbency, so that gives you more options. They also have postpartum and plus sizes, and they also have bundles, so you can choose, maybe you have a few lighter pairs and then a few more absorbent pairs, depending on your period flow. And so you can bundle those together for some convenience. In terms of ease of access, American Eagle has a underwear brand called Aerie, and they also offer some period underwear, and they're found in a lot of malls, so that can be quite convenient if you're looking for some period underwear. And they've got 2 rises and 2 fits, so not as much as the first 2 companies, but for some people that works out quite well. And they tend to be able to hold up to 2 tampons worth of fluid. So a little bit lighter in terms of absorbency compared to our first 2 options. Walmart and Amazon also have a variety of styles and brands. They tend to be cheaper than the 3 first options that we chatted about, ranging from $7 to $12 a pair. So that can make it a lot more accessible for some individuals, whereas the other companies that we chatted about can range between $19 and $58 a pair. So thinking about what your needs are, there's definitely something out there if you're thinking about making the switch to period underwear.